Papa Joe's Garage here. Let's get going.
What's going on, everyone? Papa Joe's Garage here. We're going to be working on a Harbor Freight trailer that the previous owners left on the property. We're going to be making it a non-foldable, non-disassemblable, unable to be disassembled, whatever that word is. Anyways, so we're going to be welding it up and doing a plate on the bottom at some point, but for now, we're just doing the prep work and the stitch welding. Let's go. It's going to be the new trash trailer. The goal is ultimately it's going to be, I'm not sure what gauge bed I'm going to do, whatever you want to call it, decking. So I don't want to do wood, I want to do metal and just be done with it. Thinner gauge, so it's not too heavy, but at the end of the day, it's a Harbor Freight trailer, so it's a trash trailer. But I want it to look good, you know, I don't want to look like shit driving down the road. Anyways, end goal, ultimate goal is I'll be stick welding, probably 60-11, 60-10, whatever I have on me. Every joint that's bolted together, so that one, I can get rid of the bolts on the top, so I can lay the metal flat. And two, I don't want to ever have to worry about, are the bolts tight, is it going to fall apart? And I'm pretty confident with my welds to hold together a fucking trash trailer at least. So with that in mind, that's what I'm going to be doing. They ain't very pretty, but you know what? They hold. So I'll be doing the other side. I'll just be doing some stitch welding in the middle one there. I need to burn a hole few rods, unless I'm feeling bored, but it's just gonna work stuff, so no need for that. One thing I want to add is I am running just 3 32nd rod, 60-11 at 60 amps. I want to go a little hotter to speed it up, but this metal's so thin I don't want to risk having to deal with blowing it out. And I really don't want to wire weld it just because I don't want to spend the time getting it super clean for the hard wire. So until I can get dual shield set up and everything, but even still, that's pretty thin metal on these trailers. So we'll just keep going, see how it goes. I just want to add a little tidbit that this 60-11, no matter the size, love this rod. It was burning right through that paint, whatever I didn't clean. There's some water on there. Who doesn't care? Smells good. Love it. This is a quick video, the start of it. I'm gonna do the tongue later and going to flip it over and do the other side later. But I got the bolts out, got the initial welds done, probably do different fenders, and I haven't decided on the siding yet. Either if I want to just do wood or if I want to do kind of like a C-channel and some more thin gauge plate for longevity. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Until next time.